Hello, and welcome to this new video on Illustra Object Detection Person with edge-based analytics using Illustra Pro4 cameras. The object detection feature allows users to configure various object detection alerts, for example, person detection, while using VideoEdge edge-based analytic alarms. To configure object detection person, open your Illustra Pro4 Camera GUI and navigate to Setup, Event and Actions, Analytics, then open the AI Object Classification tab. Ensure the AI Object Classification checkbox is ticked, and tick the Highlight Detection checkbox if you wish to have the metadata present on the live camera view. Under New Definition, click the New Rule button. Enter a rule name, and ensure Object Detection is selected in the Rule Type dropdown. In the Object Class dropdown, select Person to configure the analytic to detect people in the camera live view. Configure the overlap and minimum confidence sliders to your liking to further customize the analytic. Using the drawing tools, configure the region of interest or click the Select All button to cover the entire camera view. Once finished, click Save. The analytic configuration on the camera is now complete. To acquire the Object Detection Person analytic on Victor, first you need to add the camera to your VideoEdge. Navigate to the device list and select the Add New Device icon. Enter a device name and the camera IP address in the device address fields. In the manufacturer dropdown, select Illustra American Dynamics. Next, in the security group dropdown, select the security group that correlates to the camera's username and password. If you have not created one, select New Security Group. Once complete, click the Save icon and the camera will be added to the device list. Once the camera has been added, select the configuration icon. For the record mode, ensure either recording always with alarms or only record with alarms is selected. In the video analysis dropdown, select Edge Based, then click the Save icon. Navigate to the camera alarms by clicking the Configure button. Ensure that Edge Video Analytic Alarms and metadata is enabled to finish the VideoEdge configuration. On Victor, add the corresponding NVR if you have not already. Then select the Create New Item icon. Navigate to Event and enter a name, alongside configuring any additional event settings such as priority for the event viewer. Under Action Pairings, open the Activate Event Action subheading and select Object Detection Alarm on Camera. Then click the Save icon. Next, open the Configuration menu and navigate to Event Schedule Setup. Drag in the configured Pro4 camera and click the Alert Type icon. Selecting Object Detection and Add Alerts. Select the trigger icon in the Alerts node, navigating to change event state actions and selecting the event you just made. Once finished, click the Save icon and the event has been configured. Once the event is triggered, open the event viewer and the event for the alarm will be found in the corresponding priority list you configured earlier. Right-click on the event and select Review. The review window will provide a clip of the Object Detection Person analytic alarm.